You try to explain what you're feeling, but nothing comes out right. It's not just hard to talk about. It feels impossible. That's not avoidance. It's not weakness. It's a sign you might need a different kind of therapy. Experiential therapy doesn't ask you to explain the pain. It helps you experience it in a new way. Because some emotions aren't processed by talking, they're processed by doing. This isn't just sitting in a chair and venting. Experiential therapy puts you in motion. You paint, you act, you move, you role play. It's not about performing. It's about bypassing the part of the brain that shuts down. When pain gets too close, when you engage the body, the subconscious speaks and you start uncovering things you didn't know were there. When trauma is deep or pre-verbal, traditional therapy often hits a wall. The words just aren't there. The body remembers. Experiential therapy taps into that memory. It lets you externalize what's trapped inside. Not with logic, not with language, with action. And when you finally act it out, instead of pushing it down, something shifts. One session might look like this. Your therapist sets up a scenario. You play a role or assign roles to your emotions. Maybe you confront someone from your past. Maybe you sculpt a memory in clay. Maybe you draw your anxiety without using words. It might feel strange, uncomfortable, but suddenly, you feel something again. That's the moment things begin to move. This approach isn't just for artists or actors, it's for anyone who feels stuck in their head, numb in the body, or like they're repeating the same story without actually healing. It's used in trauma recovery, addiction treatment, grief work, and for people who've tried talk therapy and left feeling unchanged. If you're carrying something you can't explain, this might be your way through. Don't expect a quick fix. This work is raw, filtered. Sometimes it brings up more than you thought was there. But with the right therapist, it's held safely. You're not just digging things up. You're learning how to move through them without analyzing every detail, without reliving the entire past. Just enough to feel it, let it go. And that's the power of doing over saying. If you ever left a session thinking, I didn't get anywhere, maybe it's not you. Maybe it's the method. Some stories need a different language. Experiential therapy helps you speak it. And sometimes that's the first time anything has made sense. If you're ready to try something deeper than words, we're here. Call 844-590-0403 and ask about experiential therapy. See you in the next video.